Users usually pre-archive files before sending them. I will now tell and show you how to unzip such an archive. My name is Andre, and on my channel I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. The most common formats for archives are zip, RAR, 7z. My unzipping method is suitable for all these formats. I will now tell you and show you how to create an archive. Starting with Windows 11, the system has a built-in feature to archive and unzip files. I have prepared two files to show you these processes. Now I am going to zip the files into a zip archive. I select these files with the left mouse button. I click Compress to zip file. The archive is instantly created and you can specify any name for it and press Enter. Now you have an archive with the necessary files. Now I can unzip this archive very easily and quickly. I right-click on the archive. I select the Extract All function. Now I choose the path to the folder where my files will be extracted to. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, then write them in the comments. I or my subscribers will try to answer them and help you.